Want to know how to create a mini chat simulation in console? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So we just create a simple simulation by using scanner for input and a while loop so that we can simulate a live conversation. The bot in your program simply echoes whatever you type exit to end the chat. This project teaches you how to handle user input, user soups for continuous interaction, to manage conditions, and to stop the program. You can make it more advanced by adding predefined responses, random replies, or even storing chat in a history file. Mini chat simulations are a fun way to practice programming fundamentals while creating an interactive program. This combines strings, loops, and user input the way that feels real, and it's a great stepping stone to more complex projects like chatbots or console games. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.